that occurred at 5655 Massachusetts, Merrillville, Indiana. Xenia Shannon Sanders is a female, black 7-month-old infant, 24 inches tall and weighs 19 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. She is wearing a white shirt with a watermelon on the front, with text that states Grandpa is one in a melon, a diaper and no shoes. The mother of Xenia reported that Lundernuddle entered the home through a window without permission, took the child without permission, and fled. Lundernuddle is a male black, 35 years old, 5 foot 9 inches and weighs 160 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Lundernuddle is driving a grade 2006 Acura TL 4-door sedan with Illinois license plate CU6216. The suspect is believed to be in Illinois. Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes this Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police. At 2 p.m. at the